right, Mohammed. This is it.
Yes, Ali, soon we will join the virgins in paradise.
We're very excited about the virgins. You excited about the virgins?
Extremely excited about the virgins.
All right. Let us get the knives that we fashioned from the tinfoil wrappers to the hot dogs that this airline was foolish enough to serve us.
So foolish. Got it.
All right, 1, 2, 3. We get up. We do all the Allah stuff. And we charge the cockpit. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2. Wait a second.
What?
Is that French film actor Gerard Depardieu?
You mean from Green Card and Latin Rose and Bogus?
Bogus, yes, that's
my
him.
God, I love Bogus. It's a masterpiece.
What is he doing here?
I don't know, but let's stay focused.
Okay, yes, I'm sorry. 1, 2. Okay, no, he's not. Is he? What?
What's he doing?
Okay, I think he's urinating.
What? Oh, no.
No, dude, he's totally pissing on this airplane.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, he's pissing on this. I mean, hello, we all paid for seats on this flight. You're not the only one here, buddy.
Come on, there's enough reasons to not fly already, and now we add one more. Ridiculous.
I'm calling the stewardess. I'm going to
Don't do that.
Yes,
No. Hey, we have a mission.
Sorry. On 3.
Hey.
1, 2. Okay, he's going to sit down like nothing happened?
Are you kidding?
He's just sitting down. That's on the plane.
That is ridiculous.
No, this is unbelievable. I mean, it's totally.
You know what? There's ways to act on a plane and ways to not act. This is the way to not act.
This is not the way to act on an airplane. It's completely uncalled.
I can totally smell his pee. It's very acid-like.
Oh, it's not true. Okay, you know what? Forget the whole attacking the plane thing. Forget it. The terrorist attack is over. It's off.
Why?
You know why? Because what we've seen today is a far greater affront on how people should behave in society than any terrorist attack could be.
I agree.
And the scene! And that is how I, Gerard Depardieu, thwarted the terrorist attack. By urinating all over a plane. You're welcome, America.